Hello everyone, my name is Thiago Zanchetta. I'm an environmental and safety engineer and the master student of the sustainability program at the PUC Campinas. I'm going to present my abstract of the work related of the sustainable practice in water treatment plants. Due to the constant populations increase that has occurrence in the world, this resulted in major impacts in the environmental sphere, including the available of the drink water and the quantity and quality to serve the population. Given a low available of the fresh water, promoted a universal access to safe drink water. It's one greatest challenge of the 21st century. Such, the emergence issues allow for a more careful look at the sustainability of the water treatment plants. The construction of the Sustainable Development Indicator was necessary for the monitor and the measure of the objectives related to the environmental, social, and economic spheres. I would like to share the water treatment plants process. These units with the tanks, equipment, applicator of the chemical products, and which water is treated to the supply the population. Looking this made, the represented of the sequence of the treatment water. The first step, it's a pre-treatment to remove the solids. After the step of the flocculation and the filtration. And after you need disinfectation and remove of the microbialities, and now the water it's approved to the distribution of the population. With the water treatment process, the waste generation is a characteristic a solid waste and must be packaged and the treatment in accordance with the environmental legislation. The new trends reduce the environmental economy and social impact and make the water treatment system are fundamental to sustainable development. The application of the sustainability indicators in the water treatment plant is a fundamental issue for sustainable development and should be used to summarize and the quantity information for a given objective. Our management it's discussed in the several national and international forums. The highlight to the relevance and analyzing the conditions of the unavailable water resource, treatment, and distribution of the water for the public supply. It's necessary to promote strategic and new trends, actions to meet sustainable development goals and include the 6 SDG with the goals the 6.1 and 6.2 and reinforcing the concern to the treated water and sanitization as a basic principles of the sustainable and environmental, social, and economy. The points out the benefit of the sustainability development regarding the application of a sustainability indicator of water treatment process. Evaluated this data related to the National Sanitization Information System will check the service the conditional, the quality, and availability water of the population. Evaluate the conditions meeting the goals and establish in the Sustainable Development Goals of the Agenda 2030, identify the technology trends for sustainable water treatment. Therefore, the practices applicable in the water treatment plants are very important for meeting the Sustainable Development Goals. I really appreciate it and thankful for the opportunity to present this work in IWACP. Thank you. Bye-bye.